Good morning, people. This is going to be interesting. Good morning, people. First vacation. It's pretty early. We are fighting with the jet lag, or me especially. So I slept like only 3-4 hours, but we are heading to Phuket, meeting with some friends. We have a nice hotel, and you know the drill. Talk to you later. Yes, welcome back to the news. Good reminder and a good tip whenever you travel in Asian countries, either if it's hot or not, just make sure to wear a long sleeve, because it's freezing in the airports and a lot more in the airplanes. They have AC everywhere, on 0 degrees probably. Well, my god, I'll probably freeze until I get to Phuket. Let's see how it is. Yes, we just got to Phuket and we survived the freezing cold airport. Here in Phuket it's even colder than in Bangkok. But really short flight, and now it's very warm outside. Exactly how I like it. I think I will jump to the pool or something, to the hotel. We got the shuttle from the hotel. No, there is nobody in here. Free water, most important. We are super thirsty and hungry. Probably will eat something when we get there. But yeah, super nice to have the service already prepared. You know, someone waiting for you and pick us up like really fast, and we are heading there. And I will show you the hotel as well. I think it's a really cool one. I think you will like it for sure. So right here is the villa. It's a bit too sunny to enjoy the pool right now. We actually tried it before, and there it is, Ploy with you taking some more shots. But this villa is just for me and KP, and they have another villa. Lucky us. But let's see how it looks inside. I bet you'll like it. As you can see, it's a pretty big room, and not sure if we will use everything, but we have a pretty big TV and a big couch here, maybe like for 4 person. Here is the dining room with a small bar, and right here is where the magic is happening. The secret room. And this is nothing actually, it's just a small garden. But the secret actually stands right here. A secret, not a secret actually, but a private spa / oil massage room. I never had one of these before, so I feel pretty privileged to have it. That's just another small bathroom. I think this villa has around 3 bathrooms, and later today we'll just enjoy this room. Yeah, feels pretty good. upstairs actually. I think this is the place, the best place of the apartment. We start with the big living room. Not living room actually, the bedroom. This is a big bed with a great view. It's really refreshing waking up with this view every morning. And the best part of the bedroom, it's actually the bed. A king size bed, very comfy and cozy and soft. I wish I could sleep here like for 10-12 hours every day. Behind we actually have a dressing room, not using it that much. One for him and one for her. It's a lot of place to deposit, but not my favorite part. And then we have the bathroom. Say hi, KP.
Hi.
It's a fancy one. Last night we used the shower outside. Really amazing, and I really like the nature around. The flowers, the plants, they're super cool. And tonight, this will be the highlight, this baby right here. But otherwise I will show you around the resort. Super nice, the staff is super friendly, the food is super good. We are going to try the breakfast soon. And it's a resort, so it might be a bit pricey, but overall, if you don't want to do anything and just lay on your back, I think this is a good place to be. See you around. Roller coaster. Roller coaster.